Meet Adam and Iffy. They've been running a business for 5 years and found that traditional marketing methods are no longer working. One day, Iffy told Adam that blogging online was the best way to become credible experts and attract top clients from all over the world. They got really excited, but things only went from bad to worse. It took hours to find ideas to blog about, days to write about it, and ages to post and promote it properly. With millions of business blogs online, it was hard to stand out from the crowd. And without the right strategies, hardly anyone was reading their blogs or buying anything they sold. In fact, blogging was taking more time than they spent running the business. However, they knew that hiring ghostwriters to recycle other people's content would be a waste of time. They were the real experts, so needed to share their own unique content with the world. Finally, Adam found Speak to Blog, an innovative service that turns a single conversation into 52 weeks worth of premium content for blogs and social media platforms. They signed up fast, and their website traffic exploded. Soon they became the go-to experts in their field, and top media publications were asking to interview them. Now they have more than enough readers and clients from all over the world, so they no longer have to chase after customers. Their business has grown, and they've had more time than ever to do their best work and really enjoy life. Stop struggling to create great content. Just speak to blog. Turn one conversation into 52 weeks of blogs and social media content and explode your credibility right now. Hurry! Go to www.speaktoblog.com if you want your business to grow.